Hello family. Hi, you diva out there who is watching this video for this look. I'm Juhi. My YouTube channel name is Juhi Styling. I'm here to give you a lot of things, a lot of videos, tutorials, styling. This is my small video of makeup tutorial. So please subscribe my channel. Help me grow. Please don't forget to subscribe. So now you can start watching the video. So divas, after applying moisturizer on your face and lip balm on your lips, you have to apply primer, especially on the open pores. Now apply it properly. After that you have to apply foundation on your face. I'm using foundation stick all over my face, on your eyes, on your neck. Then after brush you have to merge it all over the face properly. It should not look cakey. I have applied a little bit, but you can see I am showing dark circles. I have to apply again. I have applied a bit more second time to cover those dark circles and my pigmentation. Now I'm merging it again. So smudging. You have to do this as well. This is a bit faster, but you have to do it softly. Here I'm looking in the mirror. There is mirror. Oh, this works. Now you have to apply compact after that. With compact, especially under your eyes, and then after that all over your face, your neck as well. This will set the whole foundation on your eyelids as well. You have to apply this. Yes, on ears as well. Otherwise it will show a bit of difference in your ears and face. This is bronzer and I am applying this with the tissue, folded it and using it. I didn't have my brushes. Now contouring cheeks and nose, contouring my forehead as well, my neckline. While doing this contouring you have to do upper strokes. This will lift your face. Here I am contouring my smudging lines. Blusher you have to apply mainly on your cheeks. After that you have to apply a bit, don't take it, but use that brush only on the forehead, nose and cheeks. Now here I'm using the bronzer on the eyelids. Yes, bronzer. I have done contouring with this. You don't have to buy something extra. I have applied this on the half of the eyes. Yes, only half. Don't go near the eyebrows, just take a bit far. This is my blusher. Yes, the other half on the eyes you have to apply this shade. Front half on the both of the eyes. Maybe it's not showing in the camera properly, but I can see the difference. Now highlighter on the cheekbones, highest part of the face, cheekbones, nose, forehead, cupid bow and your chin. I have edited the video, it will not show properly. Now that highlighter is used by me near the water line on the front. It will pop my eyes. Yes, it will. Now near the eyebrows, it will give a bit of a shape. I forgot to do my eyebrows before, now I'm doing it. try to do the natural shape of your eyebrows. After that, you have to use the spoolie to shape them properly. Be with me, please, guys. Be with me. This is my first video. I'm trying my best. Now kajal on the lower waterline and on the upper waterline as well. This will show a difference to you. Try to use it by yourself, or sometimes I will show you how to do and what is the difference. Now here I'm using on the half waterline outer side, applying my kajal. With the earbud I will smudge that. It will make a illusion of a bit bigger eyes. It will also make it look natural. I'm not applying any eyeliner. See, I can see the difference. Smudging it properly. Don't go too far. Look. Now lip liner. Start from the center always. Don't start from the sides. From center you have to go to sides. From the cupid bow as well. Start from the center, then go to the sides of the lips. Now my lip crayon, my favorite shade. Smudge it properly. In the makeup you have to smudge everything properly. This is my setting spray. Make it dry properly. Now mascara. Wiggle it properly. Look, I am wiggling it. I have made this video with faster. Made it faster. Wiggle that mascara while applying. My mascara is not waterproof. Whenever I apply mascara before and apply that setting spray, my eyes get, So I hope you liked my video. Please help me grow, subscribe my channel. Give me some suggestions in the comment box below. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Thank you.